Hi, I'm Johnny Lasky with Bully Dog, here to talk to you about the Bully Dog BDX. This programmer is going to change the way that you tune your vehicle, and now it's even easier to update. It'll update via Wi-Fi, therefore no computer and no cables needed. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. You have your quick install guide. The Bully Dog BDX comes with 700 applications, including the new 2018 Mustang and Ford F-150. A USB cable, and the most important piece next to the programmer, the OBD2 cable. This will actually plug into the vehicle and allow it to be programmed. 700 applications, including the 2018 Ford Mustang and Ford F-150. Cloud tuning, update via Wi-Fi, no computer needed. Stores up to 20 custom tunes. On-screen virtual gauges to display and monitor vehicle data. Reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes. More applications are being added all the time. Optional mount is available. The Bully Dog BDX is available for $399. To find an authorized reseller near you, visit bullydog.com.